Hi guys, in this video we'll be discussing about arithmetic operators. So before understanding what is arithmetic operator, first let us see what is an operator. Okay. So for example, A plus B. Here plus is a operator. Plus is a operator. Then what are A and B called? A and B are called operands. Okay. So operator will do some operations using operands. So here the operation is addition. Sometimes it might be subtraction or multiplication, like that. Okay. So how many types of operators we have? We have arithmetic operators, we have relational operators, relational and logic operators. We have increment operators and we have decrement operators. We have bitwise operators and we have assignment operators. These are types of operators we have. So in this class, we shall see what are arithmetic operators. In the coming up classes, we shall see the other operators. Okay. So arithmetic operators. Arithmetic operators. So plus, minus, multiplication, division and this modulus operator are called arithmetic operators because these operators will do arithmetic calculations. So that is why these are called arithmetic operators. So for example, for plus, let us suppose 5 plus 2 will give you 7. This is very obvious for us. 5 minus 2 will give you 3. 5 star 2 will give you 10. 5 divided by 2 will give you 2, not 2.5. Okay, I'll tell you why. And 5 modulo 2 will give you 1. So this one is very basic and we know it already. This one here you need to understand that 5 and 2. So 2 2s are 4, leaving remainder 1. So integer division will be carried out. Okay. So if there is something like this 2.5, 2.1.2, something like this, then this will be truncated. Okay. This extra part, I mean fractional part, will be truncated. Okay. So the integral values will be left, that will be returned as an answer for this one. And for modulus operator, and this one will be giving you the remainder. Okay, this one gives you the quotient. This one will give you the quotient. This one will give you remainder. Okay. Always remember, integral division will be carried out in this case and in this case as well. Okay. Integral division is carried out in this case and this case. And here there is a note point. That this modulus operator will not be applicable for float and double. Okay. Float and double. That means you should not use this operator for floating point numbers and double numbers. Okay. And one more important point is that these are called binary arithmetic operators, because at any given point of time, this operator will be dealing with two operands, okay? Be it plus or minus or divided or into or divided by, or this modulus operator will be dealing with two operands at any given point of time. So these are also called binary arithmetic operators. Binary arithmetic operators. Bi means two. Since these operators are dealing with two operands, these are called binary arithmetic operators. So, yeah. So, let us suppose we are given with an expression called 5 plus 2 into 4. One solution is 5 plus 2 will be 7, 7 4 28. One answer is this, and other answer is 2 into 4 will be 8, 8 plus 5 will be 30. So two answers possible. If the computer takes this one, it will, if it executes this one first, then the answer will be this. If it executes this one first, this will be the answer. So for a single expression, you have got two answers. So in order to avoid this ambiguity, the precedence table was introduced. Precedence table. So at this expression, computer will take the help of precedence table. So precedence table will tell you that star will be having higher precedence than plus. So if star is having higher precedence, then that will be executed first. So plus star will be executed. That means multiplication is done first, and then this will plus will be carried out. Addition will be carried out. So the answer will be 2 into 4, 8 plus 5, 13 will be the answer. That is how computer will give you the correct answer. But sometimes there might be the expression like this. So again it has got ambiguity, because see, after looking at this, or the compiler will go to the precedence table. So precedence table will tell you that plus and plus have same precedence. Again, computer don't know which one to choose. So it will take the help of associativity. So associativity for plus will be from left to right. This is the associativity. That means when you have more than one plus, okay, so you start executing from the left plus, and then you move on to right. If there are some expressions like this, so the execution starts from the left and it will continue towards right. So this one will be 7 plus 4, 6. Okay, so this one will be executed again, and then this one, and then this one. Okay, so here you need to understand that when you have different operators, precedence table will help you to choose the highest, the operator with highest precedence values. So after choosing that, you will perform that operation first, and then the rest of the operators. When you have same operators, then associativity will help you. So for plus, associativity is from left to right. So here you have to note a point that plus, is that visible? Okay. So plus comma minus have same precedence values. Okay. So the precedence values of plus and minus will be less than that of star divided by and modulus operator. Okay. So this one, this star divided by modulus operator will be less than that of. So these are unary operators. Let me write it here. Unary operators. What are unary operators? -2, -3, -4. These are unary operators because this operator will be dealing with one operand. So that is why these are called unary operators. These plus and minus are different. These plus and minus are different. You can take +2 or +3 like that, no problem. So these are unary operators. These are binary operators. This will be dealing like this. So these are just -2, -3. Okay. So the precedence values of plus and minus will be less than that of star divided by and modulus. Okay. And plus and minus have the same precedence values. And these three have same precedence values. And the precedence value of this one will be less than that of this one, and this will be less than that of unary operators. Okay. So this is about arithmetic operators. In the next class we shall see relational and logic operators. Okay. Yeah.